Okay, here's my Rainmaker and my 46 Bertram Sportfish in the backyard. That is a baitwell feed. I put two 50-gallon bait wells on either side, so I could either feed it into the bait wells and pick up from there, or pick it up directly, which is what I'm doing right now. So that's just a pickup that goes to a high-speed through haul. And so the water's over here. It's coming in there. That's where I put it. I've actually got tie downs. If I'm going to be underway, I can tie it down right there. I'm able to tuck the high-pressure line under there. I run the feed line out, feed it into my water tank. This installation was done without drilling any holes or mounting anything to the boat anywhere. My unit's right here. Get back so you can see. So I have a compartment there that I keep gaffs and boat cleaning sticks and things that I can still fit in there. And there's the unit right there running. That's the position I have it in, and I'm able to feed the green line out that way. So the brine line is coming out right there. I made the mistake one time of not putting that outside the boat and squirted myself with brine all over. But anyways, so this is the installation. I've got an extension cord right there because I don't have the 120 outlet in the back of the boat, but I have one up at the helm. So I just drop a white cord down, and we use it for all kinds of things. So we just set that there. When we're not using it, the Rainman compressor unit goes in this compartment here, which is a big in-deck compartment. As you can see, lots of room. And that unit stays right there. I never move it. We used it like that in the Bahamas for 9 weeks last year. It was perfect. And I just timed the water output and came up with, I used 1 gallon and it took 2 minutes to fill 1 gallon. So I'm at 30 gallons an hour with this system. I can do this while I'm underway if I want to, or at the dock, or on the anchor. Anyways, great system, love it.